Good morning to everyone present here. My name is Ayush Tiwari. I'm from 8th grade and today I'm here to talk about my product which is Fwmas. Fwmas stands for Farm Weather Monitoring and Alerting System. Do you know that every year 339 lakh hectares of crop is wasted because of farm the weather disaster? And 70 to 80% of the farmers are not even aware about this. What should I do? What should we do? We are not living in the era of 1970s or 1980s. It's 21st century, right? We have the power and technology of AI. We can help farmers save their crops from weather disaster. So, I bring you to the technology of farmers. This technology helps farmers know about the weather disaster which is upcoming. Like if there is any weather disaster, any like for the coastal areas, the lifeguards can know about any tsunami is coming or not, any tornado, any cyclone. So farmers can already be prepared for the weather disaster and save their crops. It's not like that saving crops can help farmers because many small farmers, their everyday food is from the crops, and every year many farmers commit suicide, which is not good for our Indian economy too. So, I introduced to the technology of farmers. This is a technology which is cheap, reliable, and easily available. So, there is not any any technology which does not stand with any questions. So I have already got answers for your questions. So the question first is, how does it work and where can the farmer get it? So the farmers can get in the shops from where they buy like the pesticides or herbicides for their farm, and this device works with a chip of Raspberry Pi 4. It's a small chip, you can say a small processing computer also, which is programmed with the AI. So let's see the functions. So it has two, four, up to six antennas depending on the locations, and the device will take information from the weather department nearby, and then the AI will go through the data and check there that any disaster is coming on or not. And whether and whenever the AI detects any weather disaster, it sends the signal to the alarm, and then alarm beeps out every 5 minutes and gets louder and louder until it's stopped. The farmer then can prepare for the cyclone or any of the weather disaster. And like as we can see in the monsoon also, the areas are getting flooded. We are having landslides, and it's not. I think in Raipur we cannot face that, but the farmers living in the mountain areas, the hilly areas, they are facing a lot of problems. The people also, the normal people, are also having a lot of problem. So it's not like that only farmers can use it. Many people, like as the name suggests, farm weather monitoring and alerting system. This can also help people who are not the farmers but living in dangerous areas. And now question comes, what is the price range? Is it affordable or not? So as of my research, the price would be nearly something about 7,000 to 7,500. It also depends, as I said, that on the locations, what are the components are being used. And the housing is 3D printed, so it's cheap, reliable, and easy to replace or repair.